Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have this 2014 truck. It's a Dodge Ram 3500 with this 6.7 diesel. And what we're gonna do, the customer came and says that it has some messages when they turn on the truck. And that's just a message for the glove plugs. We don't have any messages right now, but once I turn it on, it's gonna show up some messages. See, okay, it says perform service, and this message we'll talk about it later, but first we're gonna focus on the first one, which is this one, perform service. What that basically means, this car has a crankcase, it's a crankcase filter, and that one goes under the valve cover of the engine. And actually I ordered the part already. I'm gonna show you which part it is. This is a part you wanna make getting to do that, and the part number is this one, 6800243-3AZ, and the part looks like this. This is the part. As you can see, it's a filter. Right here you can see all the what it's made of. It comes with the O-rings. And you might wonder, where does this part go? Right? This part goes right here under this valve cover, and it's not too hard to change. You need like you have to remove, like, I believe 6 bolts that are 8mm. And once you remove that, you're gonna take it off, and underneath of it there's the filter, and you just pop it up and replace it, and it's easy. Alright, so the first step to remove this is take off the dipstick for the oil. Just put it aside. And first I gotta apologize for all the noise. We have some noisy neighbors. Then you want to get the 8mm ratchet, take the cover off, so already loose. Take off all your bolts and make sure you don't lose them. Put them in somewhere with a magnet or somewhere safe. Take off this cover, put it aside, and now we're gonna take off pretty much anything around this cover, and we have to remove this hose right here and the little sensor, and I'll be back in a little bit. Hey guys, I removed the bracket already, and you don't have to remove this all the way, just get it loose. But on these bolts you're gonna have to use a deep socket and a swivel like this, because it's really hard to get to it. It's just 2 of these are really hard, and you have to take off all the bolts. Yes, quite some. And the next step is just lift it off, and it could be a little bit hard. You can use a tool to pry it off, and don't forget to take off the oil cap, because you might break it if you don't take it off. And just lift it lift it and slide it to the right so you can take off that hose. And there we go. It's gonna come off with the sensor together. This is the cap. As you can see, the cover. And this is the part we want to change. It's a crankcase ventilation valve. Take that off. And as you can see, it's a little bit dirty. Looks like it was replaced, but they bought this truck, so we don't know the life of this thing. We're gonna change it anyway. Now I'm gonna take my new one. And it's a pretty easy to install. You just slide it in. It goes to the other side. Just put it straight and it goes in place. And to install it, just do the reverse thing and you'll be good to go. And I'll show you also the reset procedure to reset the service thing on this. Alright, so to reset the light that says perform service, first thing you have to turn on the key. First, let's make sure the light is on so you can see it by yourself. And we go to the messages. There we go, we have the message right now. It says perform service. There we go. So the first thing is open the switch, and what you might want to do is do these steps really quick within 10 seconds. The first step is press the brake pedal 2 times. 1, 2, then press the gas 2 times slowly. 1, 2, and that should reset the light. So turn it off, wait a little bit, open the switch so you can turn on the car, start it, and we'll see we should have only one message. And there we go. I only have that message and I'll talk about it later. And this is how you reset the perform service light on this 2014 diesel truck, 6.7 diesel. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.